आज हम आपको एक ऐसे इंसान से मिलाने जा रहे हैं who sold her successful company to ITC for 500 crores। मिलिए सुहासिनी संपत से, जिन्होंने देखा कि 40% से ज्यादा इंडियन लोग अपना ब्रेकफास्ट स्किप कर रहे हैं। She saw an opportunity in this. She wanted to solve this problem. उनको कुछ ऐसे बनाना था जो लोग ऑन द गो खा सके बिना टेस्ट और न्यूट्रिएंट्स को कॉम्प्रोमाइज किए। और वहां से शुरू हुई एक ऐसी ब्रांड की जर्नी which all of us know about, Yoga Bar। सुहासिनी along with her sister अनंदिता ने काफी कॉन्ट्रेरियन डिसीजंस लिए, जैसे पहले ऑफलाइन सेल्स पर फोकस करना और सेलिब्रिटी ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स का यूज ना करना, और ये सब डिसीजंस वर्कड इन देयर फेवर। योगा बार कैसे अपने प्रोडक्ट को डेवलप किया, कैसे फीडबैक से अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को इंप्रूव किया, और कैसे इन्होंने एक यूनिक ब्रांड आइडेंटिटी क्रिएट की और एक बड़ा मार्केट शेयर को कैप्चर किया, ये सब आज हम सुनते हैं सुहासिनी से। सो विदाउट फर्दर अडू, लेट्स गेट इनटू आवर कॉन्वर्सेशन विद सुहासिनी।
What was your relationship with food as a child? Like, were your parents were like healthy food and all that? Was that part of your upbringing?
So हम like it's not conscious, but हम packaged food इसलिए नहीं खाते थे क्योंकि there was not that much money to buy it. So, but my mom used to make everything. Like jam खुद बनाती थी, sauce खुद बनाती थी, like chocolate खुद बनाती थी, वो कोको को लेके और सब कुछ खुद बनाती थी। After one board meeting, I showed him this bar. I said मैंने घर में बनाया और and then I told him the Kind Bar story in the US. So he's like, ये लो 25 lakhs, अगर कुछ बनता है, नहीं बनता है तो ठीक है, आपने तो effort मारा।
What happened post that? There was a board meeting.
Yeah.
You
for another company, for an investee company.
Okay. And you were making
these bars at home, like my mother used to make. हाँ, खुद के लिए.
Okay.
And then I showed him the bar. I said, "Kamal."
क्या था ये बार?
वो just dates लेके, almond लेके, oats लेके, सब कुछ blend करके मेरी माँ बनाती थी।
Breakfast alternative था?
हाँ, breakfast alternative था।
On the go.
On the go because I brought back the bars from the US also and showed her. उस समय
easy bar.
हाँ, नहीं, kind bars.
Kind bars.
उस समय तो इंडिया में होता ही नहीं था। मेरी माँ like she used to make it for me, and then I showed Kamal. I said, you know, in the US there's a company called Kind Bars. They set up like this only from a home bakery. They exited at 3 billion, I think, to Mars. And then when he said, okay, interesting, what name do you want to call it? And my sister and me had come up with that name. When we used to go for yoga classes in the US, she had said, हाँ, she said Yoga Bar. So मैंने तो trademark कर दिया था. पता नहीं था कि हम company करेंगे नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन trademark तो किया था. I think the turning point for the company was that the name was so modern yet so traditional. Indian. Spoke about health without speaking about health. योगा बार का ट्रेडमार्क।
आपके माँ ने आपके लिए एक बढ़िया सा प्रोटीन बार, मतलब एक बार बनाया,
हाँ,
जो
कि डेट्स, आलमंड्स, वो सब
चॉकलेट, बेसिकली चॉकलेट काइंड ऑफ हेल्दी चॉकलेट बार बनाया, एंड वो बार आप एक
बोर्ड मीटिंग में मैंने इन्वेस्टर को दिखाया।
आपने क्यों दिखाया?
मैं खा रही थी, उन्होंने पूछा क्या कर रहे हो?
अच्छा, so it was not planned कि यार मैं बार दिखाऊंगी और इन्वेस्टर को अच्छा लगे और मुझे पैसे देंगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था।
नहीं, बट इंट्यूटिवली ना तो वो टेंटिकल्स हो जाता है जब you see somebody is interested, तो वो conversation, but like you might as well finish that conversation. पूछने से कुछ you never lose.
But my question is, were you considering this idea of building something called as a yoga bar or a breakfast alternative or a protein bar at any point of time, or it happened at that point of time?
No, so I mean, obviously I knew I wanted to be an entrepreneur.
Sure.
I had already tasted being an entrepreneur with a finance company. Yes. I also understood, because I had seen everybody's accounts, I knew the value of building a brand.
Sure.
I knew I had this trademark. I knew that healthy food, India is going to see it. So the opportunity you have to be able to see. And yeah, I at some point of time I realized that yes, it's a good idea to pursue.
Interesting.
And I was already consuming it by the and then my mother had done one more thing. For Diwali, that company was called FinAdvantage. For Diwali, she had made the Diwali boxes for everybody with these bars. With yoga bars, with clean wrapping. And then and then everybody who ate the bar was like, कहाँ मिलता है?
कैसे
बनाया आपने? So, and then small, and I used to tell people in FinAdvantage, then we started with one more yoga studio. I used to go to this 1,000 yoga at that point of time. तो मैंने stand लगा दिया और मेरी माँ की बार वहाँ भी लगा दिया.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
and everybody, like you see the customers coming back and saying, or wahan like 20-25,000 in one yoga studio in 1 month we used to sell.
This is before you met the investor.
Before I met Kaval, ये नहीं है कि आप I have a great idea, मुझे पैसा
पैसे दे
चाहिए.
दो.
ऐसे, like if I had just gone to him with no context, it would have been very difficult. You need to develop, you need to have enough people to back. If somebody makes that phone call, your reputation is your primary asset in life.
Absolutely.
So that is really important. So I had crossed that bridge. Kamal already really liked me as a professional. And then when I was telling him, when I talked to him, there was a certain credibility because when I asked him questions, I'm like, अगर ये कुछ होता है और हम कंपनी नहीं बन पाएंगे तो मैं पैसा कैसे वापस करूंगी. So he knew that I would be responsible with his money because मैं नहीं पूछ रही थी कि
और पैसे कैसे मिलेगा?
और पैसे कैसे
क्या करना चाहिए? हाँ.
So he also knew I would always approach it thinking about him. मैं आपके बारे में भी सोच रही हूँ.
Right.
So and then he said कोई बात नहीं मेरे पास like I can take that risk and I would be happy to see somebody like you succeed.
Amazing. Okay, you got the seed investment of 25 lakh rupees.
Correct. So then we got a small setup very close to the house. Both Anandita and me went to Coimbatore, went to Chikki manufacturers. इसको कैसे commercialize करें? क्योंकि 100 bars तो नहीं बना सकते. You have to do a business. You have to at least prove that you can sell 10,000 bars.
Sure.
तो basic setup किया. We took a small place on rent. And then we tried to commercialize the whole thing in a small setup. In this 25 lakhs में क्या क्या हो सकता है? सब कुछ कर दिया. Then we also applied to Vijaya Bank for a loan. So हमने ये नहीं सोचा कि कहाँ से जल्दी पैसा उठाए. We didn't do that. So the government actually has a scheme. So I'm a finance person and here's where it comes handy. There are enough schemes by the government.
Okay.
There's something called a CGT MSC scheme. Okay, where the central government guarantees up to 1 crore of any loan that you take from a bank, from a public sector bank. So and the loan interest rates are between 7 to 8%. So you take the loan from the public bank, the central government actually guarantees the loan on your behalf. This is a scheme run by the
collateral देने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Collateral देने की मेरे पास क्या कौन सा collateral था यार? So no, there is no collateral. The central, beyond 1 crore, the central government can't guarantee, but there's a scheme in the government because the government's objective is to also increase employment. And there are lots of schemes available. We have availed every single scheme. We worked very closely with the government. And so we took it under the CGT MSC scheme. So obviously your interest rates are really low.
Which is still 7-8%.
7-8%, but you get 5 years to repay that money.
Sure.
And agar you take a job later on, if your company doesn't work, you'll still be able to replace it.
Correct.
And you only true up the loan you can draw down only how much you need. वो 1 crore ka, you open the account, you only draw down how much you need for the business.
Got it. So
that's how we did
25 lakh
and
1 more crore. Okay.
And that's more than enough.
Where did you get to with this?
We got to an EBITDA profitable, cash flow positive business that used to generate about 20-30 lakhs of net revenue a month and 2-3 lakhs of net profit a month.
Incredible. How did you get here?
Indigo was very kind to us. So हमें बहुत, I mean at that point of time, Indigo ने हमारा clean wrapped bar देख के उन्होंने बहुत सा बड़ा order दे दिया. We still continue to feed all the pilots in Indigo. तो उनके साथ वो बार रहता है ना, क्योंकि जब वो flight, like they need convenient food, they can't. So we have a running contract now for 10 years.
For all the pilots?
For all the pilots. So 50,000 bars every month goes from Yoga Bar.
Insane. Okay.
Yeah.
But how did you get there?
Like, what was your first bar? Other than that, we also did Namdaris. We did all the local stores. So we hired 1 or 2 salespeople and we also did all the local stores.
So आपका go-to-market strategy था?
Yoga
bar
studio,
बनाओ?
हाँ, bar बनाओ. Yoga. Where is the closest? हमारा customer कहाँ है? Yoga studio पे है. Gold's Gym के opposite नामदारी था. तो all the gyms के opposite जो भी stores है. Then all these institutional orders which are easy, like because you know that pilots etc. need to keep food on the go. तो low hanging fruits.
Got it.
और हमारे website पे बेच देते.
2014, you're doing 40 lakhs of net revenue.
20 to 30 lakhs of net revenue with 2 lakhs of cash profit. Enough to service the interest.
Love it. Love it. Okay.
तो हमने बहुत time लिया. Like we were 5 साल 2014 से 2019 हम सिर्फ बार बनाए. We didn't even expand to the expansion has happened in the last just post-COVID, around COVID time. But बहुत से, like even lots of companies raised ridiculous amount of capital to even get where we got to. With just 10 crores of money, we had already touched 40 crores of revenue. We only had done one fundraise. At the time when Elevation came and funded that first 10 million, we used to do 40 crores of revenue and we used to have very, very minimal losses. Or एक marketing campaign we didn't run. People used to just tell each other about how good the product was.
So आपका strategy काफी different है because आपने D2C नहीं किया.
D2C नहीं किया.
Market online ज़्यादा नहीं किया initially.
Marketplaces करते थे सिर्फ Amazon, Flipkart.
But awareness ही नहीं था ना product के ऊपर.
नहीं. But we were the only ones जो clean labeled थे तो.
Sure, वो एक है. And your GTM was purely offline stores को जाओ.
Offline stores को जाओ. Get placement there. और तब तो बैंगलोर में सबने मेरा like everybody must have seen my face because मैं सब योगा स्टूडियो और जिम पे जाके मैं खुद सैम्पल करती थी ये बार कैसा है what would you like different so वो सब मैं खुद करती थी तो every Saturday Sunday the local sales team and me would do sampling activities in all the apartment complexes and all the gyms and yoga studios.
Crazy.
वो था हमारा
and all in Bangalore ये सब Bangalore में ही होता था.
First 2 years was all in Bangalore but we expanded to Delhi, Bombay.
So how did you raise your first $1 million in?
$1 million, Kaval had a fund called Fireside. Fireside से ही मिल गया.
Fireside Venture.
So this is the other thing, right? When people say, अगर you are good to somebody, you show people that you're earnest हो, hardworking हो, honest, transparent, तो उसका फायदा बहुत है जिंदगी में. अगर कवल को लगा कि ये लोग मेरे पैसे को लेके भाग गए, तो he would never be interested. So after he went to Fireside, we were on the first set of companies that he funded.
Insane. Okay. And जब आपका वो Fireside के साथ first round हुआ, तब आपका numbers क्या थे?
Probably Fireside's first round must have come when we were about 18 crores net turnover for the full year.
And आप क्या करते थे तब? At that point of time,
that time we started recruiting a sales team in every city.
What all cities were you present in?
Only the main cities, Bangalore, Bombay, Delhi.
So what is very interesting for me to hear here is, यार बहुत लोग ये सोचते हैं कि for me to scale up, all I need is capital, right? And that too capital without TNCs, terms and conditions. आपका approach बहुत ही different था. आप बहुत छोटा investment raise किए. वो भी I think you could have done without that also. I'm talking about the 25 lakhs. You could have done without the 25 lakhs that came from Kaval as well.
But you need some money.
That acted like a push for you. कि यार now is the time. Right? उसके बाद आपने
जिंदगी में कोई catalyst चाहिए, like that epiphany, जो बोलते हैं epiphany. So when such a, somebody who spent all his life in Hindustan Lever, spent it on brands, is turning around and saying you have something, maybe it's that push to say, maybe I'm onto something.
No,
वो epiphany था, like, ठीक है करना चाहिए.
And from there, with just small loan and a small investment of 1.25 crores, you slowly grew it as a bootstrap business. Yeah. It's almost bootstrap, right? It is bootstrap. Yeah. You grew it till 2016, 2017.
Was the Fireside round.
Was when, by 2016, 2017, without capital, what is crazy is that you got to almost 18 crores of net revenue. Yeah. That is insane. Yeah. Right? And you were profitable at that point of time?
Not terribly loss making. Like you only are limited by that 1.5 crores that you
have. 2 lakh, 3 lakh, idhar, whatever. Right? Crazy. Okay. Now Fireside happens and I'm assuming उन्होंने आपको reach out किया, आपने उनको reach out नहीं किया.
I mean, we were regularly in touch because Kamal is the head of the fund.
Correct. आप बात करते रहते हो.
हाँ, तो उनको update चाहता था. तो even when you're a really small company, and I'll tell you the small things that make a difference, right? हम update बेचते थे. So Kamal का 2 friends, he also got 2 more friends to put in 25 lakhs.
Okay.
So I'm guessing the total corpus was, now when I'm thinking about it more, was closer to 2 crores.
2 crores.
It was in 1.5. And हम update बेचते थे, like religiously after every month, उन 3 angel investors को बहुत ही प्यारा सा deck बना के हमने ये किया, ये customers open हुए, these are the people who joined us, ये product बनाया, हम we did only energy bars or breakfast bars, ले लो, like we would ask for their address, send a box, so we would keep, हम खुद करते, हमने उनसे पैसा लिया तो उनको सवाल पूछने का तो हक है. तो हम खुद ना बोले, like we would send it ourselves, like ये है, like we would just give them an update.
No, brilliant. Yeah, what is fascinating, other part of this is that I remember 2015-2016 में the concept of bars तो भूल ही जाओ. The only thing that existed was those protein bars in a few stores.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. And वो सारे protein bars used to get imported and they're very expensive. Today, if someone has to start a business in this space, what should they go about? What are the steps that are involved? Because it involves manufacturing.
Yeah.
here, right? How did you go about that process? आपका first set of bars कैसे बने?
So manufacturing तो हमने we used the peanut chicky. वो equivalent product इंडिया में चिक्की ही है.
Chicky bars.
Chicky bars. So you go to a chicky bar manufacturing plant. You find basic machine मिल जाता है 10 लाख में मिल जाता है, right?
You bought a 10 lakh.
Yeah, you get the whole line. So you get a chicky manufacturing plant at the whole line. You get the sheeting, cutting, packing.
So you basically आपने चिकी मशीनरी खरीद के उसको repurpose किया for your bars.
Correct.
Because that is the closest.
That's the closest at that point in time.
Correct.
आज तो Bosch machine भी मिलता है. तो
हाँ वो अभी sure.
हाँ. But उस समय you do it like that.
And you आपने अपना manufacturing खुद
My
चलाया.
sister's from BITS. She's a electronics engineer. तो मैंने उसको बोल दिया कि आप इंजीनियर हो, मैं फाइनेंस के देख सकती हूँ कि ये मशीन का कॉस्ट कितना कम कर सकते हैं, आप देख लीजिए कि कैसे
इसको चलाएं कैसे.
हाँ, इसको कैसे चलाए. तो वो सब उसने ही किया, मैं तो क्रेडिट नहीं लूंगी. जब हमने म्यूसली बनाया था, लोग ने like everybody used to say it's tastiest muesli they've ever eaten, you know. We disrupted every category that we entered. हम ingredient ये नहीं यूज करेंगे जो सब लोग यूज करेंगे. हम मशीनरी खुद बनाएंगे. हमारा डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम मैंने कभी FMCG कंपनी में काम ही नहीं किया, neither has my sister, but हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सेट करेंगे. हमारा like खुद से मैं बैठती थी सब ऑफिस में, like I would sit the whole day एक मीटिंग के लिए कि प्रोडक्ट लिस्ट हो जाए. तो हम 24 आवर्स तक बैठे रहते थे. सो आई एम सेइंग हमने सब like we didn't, अगर पैसा मिल जाता तो you would hire people. Today I can do from scratch. Like पहले तो we used to do these bars like with clean wrap and then sticker लगाते थे. वो प्रिंटिंग प्रेस भी मुझे अभी तक याद करते हैं कि वो आती थी वहाँ लाइन पे, like you know we would sit over there waiting क्योंकि हमारा बहुत सारा स्टिकर होता था और they had to take a scale and उसको कट करना था and it wouldn't be ready, तो I would be waiting for 1.5 hours. So सब कुछ किया है. तो I know the ins and out of building a business क्योंकि मैंने हर कोई काम जो मैं दूसरे को बोलती हूँ कि करना है, मैं खुद की like I have done it myself. So I will never tell somebody to do a piece of work that I'm not willing to do.
Absolutely, I think that is very, very important.
And my sister used to stand in that factory. ऐसा नहीं है कि she would bake it herself. Like for the first 1.5 years, Anandita would stand there. ऐसा नहीं है कि VC ने पैसा दे दिया, 10 लोग आए गए, कुछ भी किया.
Coming back to the fireside, you raised $1 million.
Yeah.
You were at 20 crores.
Yeah.
What changed after एक ही बार में 6 करोड़ आ गया?
Yeah.
What changed on how you operated?
कुछ नहीं, और मेहनत करना पड़ा. Yeah, I mean, I guess you can get some part of your team.
How big was the team जब 20 crores कर रहे थे आप revenue almost?
Difficult to, it's so back in the day, but
Rough.
maybe 16 people.
16.
Yeah, 16 people.
So revenue per employee was more than 1 crore.
That's because Anandita and me also never took our salaries and we
No, it
used
doesn't matter. Revenue per employee.
yeah. 16 people, 16 to 20 people.
And wait, you didn't take a salary?
Yeah, you can't. I mean, it isn't right.
How were you running the house? घर तो चलाना पड़ेगा ना?
मैं मेरी माँ के घर में रहती थी. वो तो खाना खिलाती थी. What is? And I don't have that fancy for buying things and all that.
ठीक है, okay, interesting. Very hard these days to do that.
You make up your mind, you can do anything. Human beings are powerful creatures.
What happened after infusion of capital
We
per
were
se
able
to the business?
Yeah.
Did product line expand? कि आपने और प्रोडक्ट शुरू किया तब कितने SKUs थे आपके?
8. We just had the energy bars and the breakfast bars.
Energy
एक
bar,
40 rupees
breakfast
bar
bar.
और एक 50 rupees bar.
Got it.
And then उसके बाद हम protein bar लाए, the 20 gram bar. And after that we...
Which I really like.
Thank you. I saw it in your bag.
Yes.
And then we started hiring a sales team. So GT expansion is expensive. So a lot of that money went into building a sales force in every city. Listing. Back in the day, you had listing fees for every SKU.
Interesting.
You have to pay the retailer listing fee to put in your product. So most large modern trade formats,
मतलब when you say listing आप Spencers ये सब का बात कर रहे हो कि ऑनलाइन के बारे में?
GNB नहीं, ऑनलाइन में लिस्टिंग.
अच्छा, tell me something. How does this work now? अगर मैंने
आज तो there are only quick commerce brands. मैं सही बोलूँ तो everybody is a certain revenue.
We will also get there. We will also get there. But I wanted to double click on if बहुत लोग brands बनाते हैं. If I write a book, I mean hypothetically speaking, online में तो मिलता है book. But what I would like to see is that, and what builds a brand according to me at least, is that when I'm walking in an airport, मेरा book दिखे.
Correct.
Right? In the same way, while quick commerce, e-commerce, everything is important, I think brand के लिए and being out there for Bharat, localization of your brand in the store is very important.
Correct.
Placement is very important.
Correct.
And आई थिंक इट इज स्टिल अ बिग ब्लैक बॉक्स फॉर लॉट ऑफ पीपल. लोगों को नहीं पता है, प्रोडक्ट बना लूंगा मैं, कुछ ना कुछ जुगाड़ कर लूंगा, हासिल मार लूंगा, लेकिन मैं स्पेंसर्स में कैसे जाऊंगा, रिलायंस फ्रेश में कैसे जाऊंगा,
करेक्ट.
किराना स्टोर, लोकल स्टोर में मैं भैया को रिक्वेस्ट करके जा सकता हूँ, बट एक ही बार में मुझे आई वांट टू बी इन 200 स्टोर्स.
करेक्ट.
और हाउ कैन आई बी इन डीमार्ट?
ठीक है. तो 3 golden rules. You will not get an entry into Reliance and DMart on day 0.
Sure.
And never fail trade. Never fail trade. Now, what
do
am
you
I
mean
trying
by
to
that?
say? Yeah. Time लेके patience और ईमानदारी से काम करना.
Okay.
Pick 100 stores in Bangalore. Show the throughput month on month. Same store sales growth. That is the most
सेम
important
स्टोर, बट
metric.
आप तो बोल रहे हो मुझे एंट्री नहीं मिलेगा ये
हाँ,
स्टोर्स में.
they
यू आर
see-
टॉकिंग अबाउट
the
स्मॉलर
Small
स्टोर्स.
GT stores. So you
Okay.
have, you call it a self-service store. So Namdari में तो, I mean, the Namdari equivalent is there in every city.
श्योर.
You have a 24/7, you have like a Lemash. you have
स्मॉलर, नॉट सो बिग ब्रांडेड
so
स्टोर्स.
big branded stores.
वहाँ एंट्री कैसे मिलता है?
वहाँ listing fee दे के, everybody gives you a chance. Everyone gives you a chance to enter in
And
the
what-
small format stores.
अगर एक
But
नामदारी है.
DMart and Reliance need to see that your product actually sells in GT before they keep you.
Yeah, let's go back. Let's
हाँ?
let's
So
take a
talk
step
about
back
the
right
small
now.
stores. So 100 stores में ईमानदारी से बेचो. Put your product, get promoters to sample out your product.
Okay.
See if customers are buying again and again and again. We hear a lot of VCs.
आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि वही कस्टमर खरीद रहा है कि
क्योंकि
और
पीओ
कोई
तो
खरीद रहा है?
भेजेंगे ही. वो सेम स्टोर से पीओ आएगा और वहाँ ऑटोमेटेड पीओ सिस्टम होता है.
सेल्स ग्रोथ हो रहा है कि नहीं?
हाँ,
स्टोर लेवल
सेम
सेल्स
स्टोर में सेल्स ग्रोथ हो रहा है कि नहीं, और सेम प्रोडक्ट के लिए हो रहा है. ये नहीं हो कि हर महीने
नया
दूसरा
SKU आ
प्रोडक्ट
रहा है,
नहीं.
हाँ.
हाउ मच इज योर पर SKU ग्रोथ इन द सेम स्टोर?
परफेक्ट.
तो वही करना चाहिए. एंड once you and a sample size of 100 stores in a large city
इज
is
सिग्निफिकेंट.
significant.
Yes.
और वो आप 3-4 मेंबर टीम से करवा सकते हो.
तो आपने अभी बोला कि एक लिस्टिंग फी होता है. सोचो कि मैंने
GT में तो नहीं होता है, लाइक दिस सेल्फ सर्विस स्टोर्स में नहीं होता है.
सो नामदारी ये सब में नहीं
नामदारी में होता है, बट नामदारी इज एक्चुअली मॉडर्न ट्रेड, बट इट्स अ लोकल मॉडर्न ट्रेड.
सो व्हेन यू से वन स्टेप डाउन,
Yeah.
आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट जो इंडिविजुअल
Yes,
सुपरमार्केट
self-service
रहता है?
stores, हाँ.
इंडिविजुअल सुपरमार्केट,
Correct.
उनके बहुत बड़ा चेन नहीं है, 2-3
Correct.
स्टोर है
2-3
max,
store है.
या एक है.
हाँ, लेकिन
उनको कुछ पैसे देने की जरूरत
लेकिन
नहीं है.
आपका कस्टमर वहां जाता है, लाइक यू हैव सम.
ऑब्वियसली उनको कुछ पे करने की जरूरत नहीं है. लेकिन
मार्जिन ही देना
आपको
पड़ता है.
दैट वाज माय नेक्स्ट
हाँ, ज्यादा
क्वेश्चन.
margin
हाउ मच मार्जिन डू यू हैव टू गिव? व्हाट इज द रूल ऑफ थंब
The rule of thumb is it should not be more than 25%
ऑफ द नेट रेवेन्यू?
of the MRP.
दैट्स ग्रॉस.
That's gross.
सो
But discount,
एक्चुअल मार्जिन 30% है
हाँ, closer to 30%.
ऑफ द सेलिंग प्राइस, नॉट इवन एमआरपी, बिकॉज अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट डिस्काउंट में चल रहा है देन उसका 30% देना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, बट आप प्रोडक्ट को बहुत डिस्काउंट करके बेचने से फायदा नहीं है.
नाउ व्हाट डज अ स्टोर ओनर नीड कि वो आपका प्रोडक्ट ना निकाले? हम स्पेंसर्स के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम छोटे स्टोर ओनर के बारे में
छोटे
बात कर
स्टोर
रहे हैं.
ओनर में एटलीस्ट वी हैड अ सेलिंग स्टोरी. हमने उसको बोला कि आपके फैमिली को खिलाओ. फर्स्ट सेल्समैन होता है स्टोर ओनर. उस स्टोर पे योर
उसको
ओनली
अच्छा लगा तो-
उसको अच्छा लगा तो वो ना
खुद
ही-
बेचेगा.
खुद बेचेगा ना.
Correct.
तो उसको फर्स्ट समझाओ कि आपने प्रोडक्ट क्यों बनाए, क्यों बेहतर है, वो सब बहुत ठीक से समझाओ. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू लीव द जॉब टू हिम. और एंड देन यू हैव द पैकेजिंग. योर साइलेंट सेल्समैन इज योर पैकेजिंग एंड द स्टोर ओनर.
हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज इट? आपने कन्विंस कर दिया उसको रखने के लिए. हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज द प्लेसमेंट ऑफ योर
वो
प्रोडक्ट?
कैटेगरी पर ही प्लेस करेगा. लाइक यू कांट इन्फ्लुएंस. वो सब पैसा लगेगा. इफ यू हैव एक्सेस मनी सिटिंग इन योर पॉकेट, वो
हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज इट? दैट्स व्हाई आई आस्क्ड यू.
फॉर मी आई एक्चुअली फील इट्स लेस इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज यू हैव टू इवेंचुअली गो बैक टू द शेल्फ. अगर वो
डिस्कवरी
विजिबिलिटी
नहीं होगा तो शेल्फ तक लोग कैसे पहुंचेंगे?
your packaging or your store owner saying that your product is beneficial. Your true test of whether a brand is successful or not is do the level playing field and see if customers are picking you.
Got it.
आप marketing देके visibility लेके थोड़ी like you can't run a business like that.
No, fair. So that's why it takes time.
That's why it takes
It
time.
doesn't happen overnight.
हाँ, और अगर आप शॉर्टकट करोगे ना तो ये सब रेक्टिफाई करने में इट विल टेक यू सम मोर मनी. और वो नहीं रखेगा. लाइक पहले बार once he returns your product, to convince him again to keep your,
Not
it's
happening.
very difficult. Trade has to never fail trade.
So store retention.
Yeah.
कि-
अभी तक Yoga Bar is only in 4,500 stores
That's it.
till this date.
Okay.
As we speak today, it's available only in 4,500 stores. हम वो ही store पे बेच रहे हैं. Like we
Why does
started-
it feel like it's everywhere?
that is
Maybe we are
maybe
only going
because
to
of
those
shows
stores.
like this. I don't know.
Now how do you go to do Spencer's, Reliance Digital, Reliance
Yeah.
Fresh and all these guys, Ratnadeep आपको reach out करते हैं कि आप उनको
नहीं
reach
नहीं
out
नहीं
करते हो?
उनका you are always their customer.
Okay.
So you will, they also do benchmarking exercise. So you will have to give them that data on how well your products are selling in general trade, and then they will
ठीक
see
है.
if there's merit.
So then they decide
Then they
to put
decide.
you in the shelf or not.
Yes. They
How-
need to have confidence because in their case, the per square feet price is very high.
वहाँ भी आपको fee देना पड़ता है, listing fee?
Not everybody. It's mixed. Some you'll have to pay, some you don't have to pay. It depends on the policy.
Got it. What happens when you get into a big chain? Because एक ही बार में सब स्टोर में रख देते हैं कि
नहीं नहीं नहीं
नहीं.
वो 10
They
स्टोर
do
में
their testing
रखेंगे, वो
again.
50 स्टोर्स में रखेंगे, फिर 100 स्टोर्स में, फिर 300 स्टोर्स में.
So what was your real spike? Was this getting
You know,
into
there is
these
something
stores?
wrong with people thinking there can never be a real spike in FMCG.
Oh, is it?
वो
In FMCG it doesn't
नहीं,
exist.
I mean, at a certain base you can have a spike, but at a certain level you will start seeing 50% growth. Or, I mean, I've seen people bring me MISs where the number would be 4 crores one month and 8 crores the next month, and I say there's something wrong with the business. You can never have a business
Possibly that you launched a bunch of SKUs.
which there is no proof of.
Correct.
Like technically, unless you have at least a year of running that product, you don't know if that product is successful or not.
No, makes sense. The feedback cycle has to come
Feedback cycle has to come. So if your shelf life is typically 9 months, you need to at least wait for 15 months to know if your product has worked or not.
in. Got it. Makes sense. Okay, so wanted to know the story that you have raised some capital. What did growth look like? You did grow significantly after that, but what did growth look like then?
So हम ग्रोथ पे फोकस नहीं करते थे. लाइक हम यही सोचते थे कि और क्या प्रोडक्ट बनाएं. अब तो पैसा मिल गया तो
You can try out new products.
हाँ, you can experiment. You can also थोड़ा सा पैसा you need for your distribution network. Offline distribution वो पहले इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ता है. Like you need a sales team, you need like a certain org structure, etc. Right? We only made the 20-gram protein.
For the brownie.
For the no, all the three. We had 3 flavors: hazelnut,
Okay.
brownie, and cranberry.
Okay.
तो हमने वो प्रोडक्ट बनाया and then we started targeting little bit more marketing effort. हमने तब तक एक भी marketing initiative नहीं लिया, तो we streamlined our marketing effort.
So आप digital ads भी नहीं चलाते थे?
वो digital ads हम तो D2C तो नहीं करते थे. Amazon के अंदर हम हमारा योगा बार ब्रांड नेम प्रोटेक्ट करते थे.
Got it.
अगर कोई योगा बार टाइप करे तो वी शुड
आपका
शो
brand
अप.
आना चाहिए.
आप क्योंकि सब लोग बिड कर रहे थे हमारे ब्रांड. तो वही करते थे. लाइक नो
Why did you not take the route of selling it D2C?
D2C when you have 36% gross margin is impossible. वो मार्क तो
Explain to the audience who don't understand this.
ठीक है. तो D2C actually works only for personal care. और ये आंसर मैंने 2017 को मेरे इन्वेस्टर्स को दिया था. बहुत प्रेशर था. D2C करो, D2C is the next best thing. मैंने बोला the math doesn't add up. अगर आपका ग्रॉस मार्जिन 35% है तो बचा क्या है? लॉजिस्टिक्स कॉस्ट और मार्केटिंग करने से नेगेटिव 50% आना ही लाइक इट विल द मैथ जस्ट डजंट ऐड अप. हम क्यों करेंगे? मेरा पैसा तो मैं वो वैनिटी मेट्रिक्स तो मैं नहीं करूँगी बिकॉज आई एम इन्वेस्टिंग टाइम इज मोर वैल्यूबल देन मनी. दैट इज माई रूल ऑफ लाइफ. My rule of life is time is always going to be more valuable than money, right? And back in the day बहुत प्रेशर होता था. कोई और फंड हो जाएगा, वो D2C ब्रांड, ये वो नहीं करूँगी. The math doesn't. And then 4 years later, only until last year, everybody has come to my answer. D2C works only in personal care where the gross margin is north of 70%. You understand, right? So net selling price minus COGS, if you're making 35%, marketing is 30-40%, logistics is 30-40%,
Returns.
and returns plus payment gateway fee, technology fee, you are setting yourself up for a negative 50% business. क्यों करोगे आप? Because some investor is going to fund you based on it. वो तो मैं नहीं करूँगी. Business तो आपका ही है.
So for D2C, अगर आपको D2C जाना है, तो you should play with 70% gross.
Gross
That's
margin.
the rule of thumb.
Yeah, 65 to 70 you can play. Tamso India से बनता है, South Bombay से नहीं बनता है.
Yes.
You know, you have to. I'll give you an example. People ask me on this journey, what are your memorable points? मैं एक बार कहीं किसी के गेस्ट हाउस में रह रही थी और वहाँ कोई like somebody was doing the jadoo and I was eating a bar as usual because usually when I travel so I
On
eat
the go.
bars, and I had one, so I gave her. तो तो वो बोली मुझसे कि मैं तो ये खाती हूँ, मेरे सेहत के लिए मैं 4 बार खाती हूँ. तो मैंने उसको, I didn't believe her. I thought she was saying it because I'm
the
sharing it
founder,
with her. No, she didn't know I was the founder. Neither do I tell people. So she was. Then I say, आप कहाँ से खाते हो? मैं कहाँ से? So she said, मैं DMart से बोगो में 2 बार खरीदती हूँ. मुझे 4 बार 100 रुपीस में मिलता है. और यही है जो मैं सेहत के लिए मैं जो करती हूँ, मेरे लिए जो मैं करती हूँ, वो यही है. And I felt so happy. Like I'm like, it is so nice that somebody feels that 100 rupees they're spending on themselves gives them that. इसमें almond है, cashew मैं तो खरीद नहीं सकती हूँ, ये सब nuts नहीं खरीद सकती हूँ, तो वो सब मिल जाता है. So you have to talk to India. I don't want to make a rich person has 1,000 alternatives. I still feel we are expensive. मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि हम affordable. 25 rupees is still expensive.
Very expensive.
You have to get
for
to 10
average
rupees.
Indians, yes.
You know, you have to get to 10 rupees. And maybe, you know, now with the brand being sold, etc., maybe ITC will figure out a way to do
At
it.
scale, it should be possible.
It should be possible to make a smaller bar. If you're able to sell at 25, you will be able to sell at 15 and 10. It just means you'll have to play with more oats, you know, and you'll have to play with a
change the
slightly
composition.
little bit, you
less
know.
almonds, less cashew.
Yes,
more oats.
and put equally nutritious, put more millets.
Right.
The government funds, there's a millet scheme that the government runs. 10% of your revenue of sale of products which have more than 15% millet is refunded to you by the government.
Oh,
I mean,
wow.
it's crazy. Like the government has really taken incentive to push healthy products, right?
Now, at what level are you guys around 2018 before Elevation happened?
Elevation happened 2019, just pre-COVID. We had touched about, I told you, about 40 crores.
40 crores.
So that happened
Of
in 2
net.
years' time. And we had only done, at this time, energy bars, breakfast bars, 20-gram protein bars. That January of 2019 was when we launched the muesli.
Okay.
And what happened was we were not eagerly looking to raise money, but Elevation, I think a lot of them were consumers. And they reached out to us because our Amazon, you know, our rankings were quite high in most of the categories we were operating in. And ye kya hua tha? I was actually carrying my first, I have only one child and I was carrying my child at that point in time. But I didn't, I mean, and obviously I'm a very private person. So I had just got married the previous year. I hadn't really told anybody and I didn't look because it's to wear really loose clothes. So I remember I was signing the investment when Elevation and I was delivering the next day. And I was telling them that I'm here to sign off on this term sheet and I was going to have a kid the next day and people didn't even register what that meant. And the hospital was opposite the Elevation office.
Oh.
So,
and this was not even pandemic time. You were meeting face to face.
yeah, the Elevation's money, you do the term sheet and then the diligence happens. The money got wired and literally 20 days after receiving Elevation's money was when pandemic struck.
What did pandemic do to your
Oh
business?
God, pandemic के बाद तो because you're an offline company and pandemic होते ही सब shopkeeper ने बोल दिया कि बड़े कंपनी का ब्रांड ही रखेंगे क्योंकि उसको रिस्क नहीं लेना है कि कोई शॉप में नहीं आएगा और हाई थ्रूपुट प्रोडक्ट को यू नो लाइक ओनली वेरी वेरी हाई थ्रूपुट प्रोडक्ट रखेंगे क्योंकि और हमारा शेल्फ लाइफ भी कम था हम प्रिजर्वेटिव तो डालते नहीं थे 4 months का शेल्फ लाइफ था सो दे वर लाइक नो एंड आई रिमेंबर फर्स्ट मंथ आफ्टर पैंडेमिक हमारा रेवेन्यू नेगेटिव था and this is after Elevation had just put in the money.
What do you mean? How can revenue
Because
be
returns
negative?
come from the market. ना सब लोग ने shops close कर दिया तो हमारा बहुत ही नुकसान हुआ. And I was just a new mother. I was so all of that, right? And Elevation was so nice. Like I will always eternally be grateful for Deepa. They used to call me, and obviously because I have very high work ethic, I used to feel bad कि उन्होंने पैसा डाला ऐसा हो गया है. And he used to be like, how are you doing? I'm only calling to ask if you and your workers are all okay. You know, and the question was never about business में क्या हो रहा है, क्या करना चाहिए, कुछ भी नहीं. How are you doing?
So
You
negative,
also, and this is the story of life now. When people are nicer to us, you feel double the responsibility to kind of repay them with whatever you've got.
right?
So yeah, that's basically what happened.
And
And then उसके
negative
बाद
revenue, and then what did you
हाँ
guys?
और हमारा हेड ऑफ ऑनलाइन ने छोड़ के केलॉग्स ज्वाइन किया जो भी अमेजोन में
mention.
सेल हाँ अमेजोन में सेल हो रहा था वो भी बंद हो गया क्योंकि आई कैन नॉट रन दी ऑनलाइन platform at that point of time because obviously I'm trying to rectify whatever was
Single
happening in
person
offline.
dependency था वो.
We had only 2 people. Even today, we have only 3 people, but that's the story. And then I'm sitting like this in my house, and then my husband, he had sold a tech company to Practo. He's like, listen, this is a situation.
We've got this.
And we've got this. And he joined as a co-founder. And our online sale runs like a tech company. Like it blew the charts. Like if today people know Yoga Bar, the marketing, the online, everything was run by him. After he came, it was a first time somebody externally is not looking at it as a conventional FMCG company, has this tech mindset. We have these reports, we have stock in, stock out reports, pricing reports.
Tech bana, pehle baar.
Full tech bana. Like today also I don't understand it because my husband runs it and full, like he runs it the way he runs it.
Correct.
Still with only 2 people, 2-3 people. And yeah, and that's a different story. And our online just shot through the roof.
And how long did it take for your business to come back?
7 months, I would say. He came in
Back to
7
normal.
months back to normal. उसने तो हमारा ऑफलाइन सेल से भी बढ़ा दिया. Online sale.
Crazy.
And then after the pandemic kind of settled down, our offline sales also came back. Yeah.
So by the time pandemic was over, where did the business get to? 2021. 2020, 2021.
2021 is probably 60-70 crores.
So almost inching towards the 100 crore
Yeah.
mark,
When we
which was your vision as you started the company.
When I started, and we inched towards the 100 crore mark, we had so much interest. Like, I think that seeding thought happened first with Nestle coming and talking to us and saying, listen, we're kind of taking notice, we're really keen to do this. And once Nestle called us, actually they called our investors, they didn't even call us. And then we all had a chat about it and they asked us, I mean, obviously you make a decision based on where do you want to see the brand. मुझे तो मेरे, like I want my child's child to eat the product, right?
Right.
और ये VC funding के चक्कर में I don't want to lose what
You've built
you've built.
with so much of work and love and
yeah,
all. Yeah.
So of course we had all, I mean, at that
Nestle
point.
आया. Nestle ने एक offer दिया.
Nestle ने offer दिया. I don't know how much of this you can say, but yeah, Nestle ने offer दिया. और उसके बाद we thought about it. I'm like, yeah, I mean, it's not like buying, like this is your life's work. You have to run a proper process and have
आप कितना company own करते थे at this point of time before the sale happened?
50%.
Your sister and
Both
you
of us together, yeah.
50%.
The founders.
Other 35-40% will be
Yeah.
investors and ESOPs.
Yeah,
or
yeah,
bucket.
yeah.
Correct.
45% was investors, 5% was
Okay.
ESOP.
Got it. Huh.
My mom, me, and my sister owned the 50%.
Got it.
And my husband also has some equities.
Nestle came in.
So Nestle
gave you an
came in,
offer.
gave
How
us
was
an
this conversation? मुझे ये
They're
जानना है
all-
कि यार ये conversation कैसे चलता है?
Actually, different stages में पहले वो
Investors
you know, it's
के
like
पास
a
गए,
marriage.
आपने बोला.
आप कैसे डेट करते हो और उसके बाद डेटिंग के बाद मैरिज हो, I mean डेटिंग के बाद you get to know, you kind of have difficult conversation और उसके बाद ही मैरिज होता है. तो नेस्ले का डेटिंग का फेज था. I mean, and then
How
obviously
long
people-
did the dating phase go on for?
quite a, I mean, before, from the time they spoke to us and they gave us a number, I think it must have been 6 to 7 months.
Okay. So उन्होंने due diligence किया कितना कर रहा
नहीं
है
नहीं,
business and
unless
nothing.
you accept a
Just
number,
conversation.
just conversations,
Okay.
right? So
मार्केट रिसर्च कर रहे हैं वो पीछे जाके बात कर रहे हैं कंज्यूमर
of course.
से.
नहीं, उनका भी अप्रूवल सिस्टम होता है because General Mills and Nestle are
Got it.
actually it's a 50-50%. मुझे भी पता चला तभी कि you know General Mills has to also okay it if Nestle wants to do a deal. And my first meeting, I lay all my cards.
Yeah.
आपको पता है, आपको करना है, तो ये सब है. These are all the, you know, these are all where I anticipate that there could be issues. Come back to us only if you're comfortable. So I do feel that confidence that you know the person you're dealing with is honest, is transparent, really helps them. We underestimate the soft aspects of a transaction closing. It also and वो reputation की बात होती है ना, like ITC's auditors at that point were also somebody who had worked with me in my KPMG days. And the world is very, very small. What is permanent is your reputation. People
Really
need to
powerful.
know that they are dealing with somebody who's telling the truth. As simple as that. Like,
Right. आप जाके other company से बात करना शुरू
I mean, and
किया.
it was all introduced by our investors and all
And
of
then
that.
how did ITC happen?
I mean, ITC was all. I mean, ITC. I think it was Kannan. I don't think. I think it was Fireside who had a relationship with ITC, and they said, "Here is this company who's going to run the process. Are you interested in looking?" And you, of course, meet their finance people. You meet their M&A person. Then you meet the foods business, whoever has to take a call, and then you run the process. Like then you submit
कितना
data.
लंबा गया?
Oh God. We probably
Started
started
2022.
No, 2022. Nestle's number has come back, we've mulling over this. So we again start in 2023, April, May. And I think ITC announced to the exchange in January.
Okay.
20, we are in 2024. We started in April of 2022. It was announced to the exchange on Jan 2023. The money came in May 2023.
Okay.
May 5th to be precise.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
And
got
we
it.
are, 1 year later, no? We have May 20. That's the sequence of events.
Got it. Got it.
So it's a good 9-month process.
But it's not bad. From the offer to money hitting the bank, it's 9 months.
Yeah. April you have met them. So their offer came only tentative offer came only by August.
Not bad. 3
Yeah.
months.
Then the diligence.
But वो लोग तो बहुत speed up किए होंगे because उनको पता है already एक offer है table के
हाँ,
ऊपर.
हाँ, and वो newspaper पे भी आ गया था, like it was
Nestle
there,
का?
yeah. Yeah, I mean, it was I think it was not front page, maybe middle page.
How does this information come out?
That I don't know. I don't feed media information.
Did you think that's a good thing or a bad thing that the information
It's good.
came
When
out?
in a bid process, when there is competitive pressure, it's always good for the
Right.
person
right.
who's
That is
been
what I
bought.
would
Yeah,
imagine.
yeah, it's good.
Okay.
Because it makes people at least do, like exactly what you said, makes people do things quicker.
Yeah. Based on what I understand, it's a 500 crore deal that happened with
Approximately,
ITC
yeah.
for the whole company.
Yeah, yeah.
Has anything
The honest,
changed?
miserable truth is absolutely nothing. We've probably worked harder more than ever. Probably had even lesser. I mean, my cumulative holidays in the last 12 years is probably 30 days in all in 12 years.
What about the last 2 years?
the last 1 year? Though nothing.
So what happens after a deal like this happens? Of course, right?
You mean after I finish selling out fully?
No, like
I'll spend more time
the
with
deal
my daughter.
happened. You cannot just deals ऐसे नहीं होते हैं कि यार आपने कंपनी भेजा next day घर वापस आ
No,
गया.
it's not a
What
deal
happens?
like
How
that.
does it like
The
that?
way ours is structured also is, I don't think ITC owns about 45%.
Okay.
55% is based on certain milestones of how the business will pan out next year.
Correct.
And a large part of that involves us working really hard
To
right?
make that happen.
To make that happen, and you have to drive it as a founder, and that's how you get rewarded. So that's why I don't want to comment on the
Right.
numbers that you said, because it still needs to play out. But yeah, nothing really has changed.
What is this whole madness of quick commerce that has started? What portion of business comes from quick commerce for your brand?
I would say 20% of our business comes from quick commerce.
Okay, and quick
But that's
commerce
also
is 2
because
years
we're
old.
only available in 4,500 stores.
Right.
Quick commerce is definitely the future way by which a lot of consumers will buy product. But you cannot be only a quick commerce brand simply because it's difficult to make money on the channel.
How does the economics? So I really want to get a masterclass on this right now.
Yeah.
Right. First, how do you get in? But e-commerce marketplace और quick commerce marketplace में difference क्या है?
हाँ.
Margins में क्या है? Supply में क्या है? क्या करना चाहिए आपको?
I'll give you averages. I won't give you
Yes,
yoga
sure,
by specific
sure,
answer. Yeah. See the model, classic model ना. Amazon marketplaces is slightly more democratic. Entry में दिक्कत नहीं है.
कोई भी कुछ भी
list
register करके डाल सकता
आपको. I mean, you should have a proper license, सब कुछ like a proper running business, and you can sell on Amazon and Flipkart. उनका warehouse बहुत ही बड़ा होता है.
आपको छोटा सा जगह मिलता है. आप रख के
हाँ, आपका छोटा सा जगह मिलता है. जितने की आप बेचते हो उतना जगह मिलता है. और आप अपना खुद के warehouse से भी चला सकते हो. You can be a seller.
Sure.
ठीक है, तो बहुत ही डेमोक्रेटिक है. क्विक कॉमर्स में कंसिडरिंग द मॉडल, डार्क स्टोर मॉडल, वो टॉप 5,000 प्रोडक्ट्स ही रख सकते हैं. तो यू हैव
Only
टू बी
5,000.
हाँ, समथिंग लाइक दैट इज आई थिंक इज द नंबर. You have to be one of the top 5,000 products that they stock. So your entry happens by giving them a proper marketing budget. You need to have the money to enter quick commerce.
Oh, is it?
And then you
What
need
kind
to,
of money?
It would be difficult for me to answer that question because my terms will be very different. I was already an established brand.
Imagine it to be like छोटा brand है, but अच्छा कर रहा है.
I think you'll need at least a marketing budget of 20-30 lakhs per channel.
What marketing budget क्यों चाहिए?
क्योंकि अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट बिकता नहीं है तो वो डार्क स्टोर में क्यों उनका 5,000 ही 5,000 प्रोडक्ट्स ही.
Not to enter the dark store, but actually to tell
हाँ, वो
people कि
through-
हम dark store में available हैं.
हाँ, और आपको थ्रूपुट जनरेट करना पड़ेगा, एड्स रन करना पड़ेगा, बैनर लेना पड़ेगा. अगर
Inside of
आप
Zepto, inside of
अगर आप
Blinkit.
प्रूव नहीं कर पाओगे कि आपका प्रोडक्ट बिकता है तो वो रखेंगे ही क्यों? क्योंकि उनका जिम्रो मॉडल हो गया ना, थ्रूपुट पर स्क्वायर फीट.
Same like a store, but
Even
way more optimized.
more optimized than
Brutal.
DMart and all of that. DMart also has a quick commerce channel simply because their delivery cost is quite high. वो आपके डोर स्टेप पे लाएंगे तो उनका भी खर्चा लगेगा ना.
उसके लिए वो ज़्यादा मार्जिन एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं बिकॉज आपने बोला ऑफलाइन स्टोर्स एक्सपेक्ट लाइक 25-30%.
हाँ, yeah, it's like
20%, 25%.
you'll have a regular margin plus you'll have a committed marketing.
जो आप वो प्लेटफॉर्म को कमिट कर रहे हो
हाँ, वो I think the margins now for new companies is 30 to 35 is
ऑन क्विक कॉमर्स.
on quick commerce with a dedicated marketing budget. That's what I think it is
तो
for.
अगर एक बूटस्ट्रैप कंपनी है उसके लिए ऑलमोस्ट इम्पॉसिबल है क्विक कॉमर्स.
It's difficult. It's
लोन लेना
difficult.
पड़ेगा जस्ट टू एंटर
नहीं,
क्विक कॉमर्स.
most quick commerce new age companies that have succeeded are all VC funded.
Thank you for such an insightful conversation.
Thank you for having me.